What is SFH in real estate? In the realm of real estate, the term SFH is an abbreviation for single-family home. A single-family home is a standalone house designed, usually constructed to house only one family, differing from multifamily homes or apartment buildings. These homes can be characterized by several key features. Freestanding structure. A defining characteristic of an SFH is that it is a detached structure and stands alone. The dwelling doesn't share walls or common living spaces with adjacent housing units. Detached homes typically offer a greater degree of privacy and independence compared to attached or multifamily housing. Private ownership. SFHs can be owned by a single individual, family, or an investment company. The owner has full control over the property and is responsible for the maintenance, landscaping, and any modifications or improvements to the home, unless otherwise specified in a rental agreement between the owner and a tenant. Yard or outdoor space. An SFH often comes with a yard or outdoor space. This space can vary in size, but it provides a private outdoor area. Residential rental investment market. Single-family homes are a popular type of real estate investment to be used as rental property and account for about 35% of the 44 million rental units in the U.S. SFH real estate represents a significant and swiftly growing sector within the residential rental market. Real estate investors often choose to invest in SFHs for various reasons, and we'll list a few here. Steady rental income. SFHs can provide a reliable source of rental income in certain markets. Many families and individuals prefer renting a whole house, which can lead to consistent occupancy and rental income. Ease of management. Managing an SFH can be more straightforward than managing larger multifamily properties or commercial real estate. It may involve dealing with fewer tenants and maintenance issues. Appreciation potential. SFHs can appreciate in value over time, potentially leading to capital gains when the property is sold. Residential neighborhoods. SFHs are often located in residential neighborhoods, which can offer stability and a sense of community, making them appealing to renters. Diversification. Including SFHs in a real estate investment portfolio can provide diversification, spreading risk across different types of properties. Exit strategies. SFHs offer flexibility when it comes to exit strategies. Investors can sell the property, continue renting it, or even use it for personal use in the future. Realized can help you create a strategy to make your lifestyle goals a reality. For more, please visit the links in the description. Thanks for listening.